Hey Divine Family, welcome back. So before we get started, quick question. Would you bake more often if it didn't cost you a fortune? Drop a yes in the comments because today I'm proving you can. I'm sharing 3 bakery-style vegan loaves that taste like they came from a fancy cafe, but each one costs under $3 total to make. That's a glazed lemon loaf, a blueberry loaf, and my cozy cinnamon zucchini loaf. These are perfect for meal prep, holiday gifting, or just treating yourself without the guilt. And if you're watching this thinking, I'm not a baker, well trust me, these are beginner proof. Here's what you'll get today. 3 complete recipes with full cost breakdowns, my secret to that perfect bakery style glaze, and tips for making these loaves last all week or disappear in one sitting. Oh, and stick around to the end. I'm sharing how you can grab my Plants on Pennies ebook, which contains 150 budget-friendly meals. Now, which loaf should I make first? I'm thinking I'm gonna make my favorite, the lemon loaf. This lemon loaf is really special to me. I actually made it for Mother's Day just for myself because I love anything lemony. Lemons always remind me of my childhood. I was that kid who couldn't get enough of those little candies called lemon heads. They were so delicious, sweet, and tart. I just loved them so much. So when I bake this loaf, it takes me right back to my childhood. So when zesting the lemon, you don't want to go past the white part because that's where all the bitterness is. So you just want to get all the nice bright yellow. We're gonna make a delicious tangy glaze to top our loaf. This right here, this tastes like a $6 slice from a cafe, but it costs us $2.85 for the entire loaf. That's the beauty of baking at home. Okay, 1 down and 2 to go. Now, if you're liking this so far, hit that like button. It helps more people find budget-friendly recipes like this. Now, let's talk blueberries. This blueberry loaf has a little piece of my heart. I came up with it when I was living in Puerto Vallarta. I would walk through the farmer's market and see all these baskets full of blueberries from the local growers. I really do love supporting the local farmers. This blueberry loaf is fluffy, bakery style, and bursting with juicy berries. Fresh or frozen blueberries both work, so no excuses. Now here's the key, folding in those blueberries gently. Now if you're using frozen, don't let them thaw like I did. Toss them in flour first so they don't sink or bleed. Look at these blueberry pockets. This is perfect with your morning coffee, as an afternoon snack, or wrapped up as a homemade gift. Okay, so we're 2/3 of the way through. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a lemon for lemon, a blueberry for blueberry, or a zucchini if you want that zucchini magic. Let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. I post budget-friendly plant-based meals like this every week. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. And now for my personal favorite, my Cinnamon Zucchini Loaf. It's cozy, spiced, and super moist, and it's a good way to sneak in a couple veggies. This is the kind of loaf you meal prep on Sunday and enjoy all week. It stays moist for days and freezes beautifully. And if you want to get fancy, drizzle with a simple glaze or sprinkle with chopped walnuts. So let's recap. 3 bakery-style vegan loaves, lemon for $2.85, blueberry for $2.60, and zucchini for only $2.20. That's under $8 total for all 3, or about the cost of one store-bought loaf. That's 30 slices of homemade goodness for less than the cost of a latte. If you love these recipes, you're gonna love my Plants on Pennies ebook. It contains 150 full recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and dessert, all for under $5 that feeds 2 people. It's perfect if you're on a budget, meal prepping, or just want to eat plant-based without spending a fortune. You can find the link in the description below. So there you have it, 3 sweet loaves, endless possibilities. Whether you're baking for yourself, meal prepping, or gifting these for the holidays, I hope these recipes bring a little sweetness to your kitchen. All 3 recipes with full measurements you can find on my website, thedivinechef.com. And if you want more budget-friendly plant-based recipes, subscribe and hit the bell. I noticed that 80% of you have not subscribed and just watched, so be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every week, and I won't want any of you to miss them. And if you enjoyed these sweet recipes, check out these right here. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.